Be honest, how many times have you sat at your desk after a long school day, cracked open your textbook, and thought, I'm way too tired for this? And maybe you tried forcing it. Maybe you gave up after 5 minutes and scrolled your phone for an hour, and deep down, a part of you started believing, maybe I'm just not disciplined enough. Here's the truth. It's not about discipline, it's about energy control. And if you don't learn how to manage it, school won't just feel hard, it'll start feeling impossible. Today, I'm giving you the real method, how to study even when you're exhausted without burning yourself out or quitting halfway. If you skip even one part, it won't work. So lock in and let's change the way you move. It's not just laziness, it's biology. After a full school day, your brain's fried from decision-making, social energy drain, mental overload. You're not lazy, you're running on fumes, trying to sit down and grind when you're already at zero. It's like trying to sprint on a dead battery. If you want to win here, you don't force yourself, you outsmart yourself. This is how you actually get work done when you're drained. Step 1, shift environments. Your brain associates places with energy. Sitting on your bed equals sleepy. Sitting in a slightly uncomfortable chair equals alert. Move locations. If you can, even just a different corner of the room. Change the lighting, open a window, put shoes on if you're inside. You're not trying to feel cozy. You're trying to wake your brain back up. Step 2, the 5-minute action trigger. When you're tired, thinking about studying for 2 hours feels impossible, so don't. Tell yourself, I'm just going to work for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's it. Once you start, you'll usually find you can keep going. Because starting is harder than continuing. 5 minutes turns into 20. 20 turns into finishing what you thought you couldn't even begin. I used to think if I was tired, it meant I wasn't cut out for success. I'd feel guilty, I'd procrastinate harder. Then one day I realized energy is not infinite, but momentum can be created. I started doing tiny things, one 5-minute session, one small victory. One day I looked up and realized I wasn't avoiding work anymore. It was just part of how I moved. Not perfect, not superhuman, just consistent, especially when I didn't feel like it. That's the skill, and you can build it faster than you think. If you only study when you feel great, you'll fail the minute life gets heavy. If you learn how to move tired, move drained, move imperfect, you'll outlast 99% of people pretending to grind. You don't need to feel ready, you need to start. And today, you just learned how.